Hey there, it's Carol popping in for just a minute. I want to make sure that you know about our one-day Speaking Accelerator Workshop coming up on Thursday, October 30th in downtown Orlando, Florida. You'll go from having a rough idea, all those messy ideas in your head, to building your talk from beginning to end using our proven signature talk canvas framework. And then you'll get to practice delivering part of it with real-time feedback from us in a safe, supportive, and fun environment. Now, here's the thing. I know you know how to create a slide presentation, but to achieve your goals, whether that's lead generation from your talks or getting paid to deliver keynotes, you need something much more than that. You need a talk that goes beyond tips and facts. You need to shape a message that persuades, gets buy-in, and leaves a lasting impression. That's exactly what you'll do at our one-day Speaking Accelerator. We're going to show you not only how to use our framework and guide you and give you prompts as you put the Post-it notes on your own board, and we supply all the materials to you, but we're also going to show you how to use storytelling for resonance, how to paint a vision your audience wants to be a part of, and how to step into the speaker and leader you're ready to be. Now, you may be asking yourself, can this really be done in a day? And we guarantee it. Listen to episode 435 of this podcast to hear my conversation with 3 of the women who attended our last workshop. And you'll hear that they too were surprised and they got it done. The reason is because we have used our framework with hundreds of clients over the years. And so we know exactly the prompts and the guidance to give you so that you can build your talk in the time during our workshop. Here's what you'll get by attending: your signature talk and framework mapped out, blending your thought leadership, storytelling, and lead generation, personalized coaching from us to take your delivery from good to captivating. And I've seen women step on our practice stage and do exactly that. We're going to show you strategies to reduce nerves and boost your stage presence. You'll get a curated speaker kit and printed workbook, breakfast, lunch, and plenty of snacks, new connections with incredible women, and professional photos of you speaking that are perfect for your website and your social media. Now, what you're creating isn't just one talk. It's a message you can use everywhere, on stage, in webinars, in podcast interviews, your email newsletters, social posts, even your eventual book or course or program. Whether it's been stuck in your head or sitting in a so-so slide deck, your talk deserves to make the impact it was meant to and achieve your goals. If you're ready to make the shift out of the expert trap, from information to transformation, I invite you to join us in Orlando on October 30th. Spots are limited to just 15 attendees, so everyone gets personalized coaching and feedback, and we're already over halfway full as the time that I'm recording this promo. So go to speakingyourbrand.com/Orlando. Again, that's speakingyourbrand.com/Orlando to get all of the details and to secure your spot. I'd love to have you there.